Yes, ma, write down. Change the order of integration. Change the order of integration. Change the order of integration and evaluate. And evaluate integration 0 to a, integration x by a to under root of x by a, x square plus y square dx dy. It is clear? Change the order of integration and evaluate integration 0 to a, integration x by a to under root of x by a of x square plus y square dx dy. First of all, in this problem, we don't have the proper integration as it is in the given integration. Is it clear? Now, first of all, we have to identify the given integration limits are which variable limits. Is it clear? So that the given integration, see the first integration inner. Coming to the inner integration, see x by a under root of x by a. The integration is 587. Remember 587, what happened now? Please recall. It will call. Okay. See, the integration, the inner first integration limits are consisting of the x variable or in terms of x variable. So this is the y limits. Obviously, this is the x limits. See, the given integration. See, this is the x limit. X equals to 0 to a. And here it is the y limits. Y equals to x by a to y equals to under root of x by a. Clear? Now the given function is x square plus y square. Here with respect to the y, but in this also not a proper integration we have. So that we can write which is the dy into dx, which is the given integration, right? We need to change the given integration, change the order of integration, okay, by using the limits. Is it clear? So this is the integration. Now what about the given limits here? The given limits are, I'm going to write the given limits. X limits are x equals to 0 to x equals to a, right? And what about the y limits? Y equals to x by a to y equals to under root of x by a. Is it clear? Now there is no change about the x limits because of the x limits are constants here. The x limits are constants. Here the y limits are in terms of y. Y limits are in terms of phi x. Is it clear? Now we need to change. We need to find the new limits. That is, y limits are constants. X limits are in terms of y. It is clear? First of all, we have to draw the given limits. By using the given limits, we have to draw. Y equals to ax can y equals to x by a. We can't draw any line or any curve by using y equals to x by a. So for that purpose, cross multiplication ay equals to x. It is clear. So for any value of constant a, y equals to x line is the 45 degrees in between the x-axis, y-axis in the first quadrant. Okay. Now this one on both sides I'm going to squaring. So y square equals to x by a or a y square equals to x. So this is what here y powers are even. Y powers are even. So that a y square equals to x. Symmetrical about Srinivas. Symmetrical about x-axis. Right? Now this is exactly 45 degrees in between the first quadrant. Okay, now? So I'm going to draw the diagram here. See y-axis and here x-axis, y-axis. Now in this, here ay equals to x. First I am going to draw this line. This is ay equals to x. Here, this is what? Ay equals to x. Now, ay square equals to x is symmetrical about the x-axis. This is the x-axis here. So I'm going to draw this symmetrical about the x-axis, whatever it may be the constants in the value of a. It is clear. So this is what here ay square equals to. Now this is what here ay square equals to x. Now this is a shaded region. This region is bounded by these two curves. We need to evaluate. Okay. Now in this is a diagram. First of all, we are going to find the new limits. We are going to find the new limits, right, ma? Now what about the new limits? Tell me. Here x limits are constants. Now find y limits are constants. Y limits are constants. Okay. Next. Here y limits are in terms of x. Opposite we have to write. Now find x limits are. X limits are in terms of y. It is clear? Now see here. So first of all, we have to find these intersection point. Okay, now. So for that purpose, here y equals to x by a. It is clear? Now intersection points. Here y equals to x by a. In y equals to under root of x by a. So that what we get here, y equals to x by a. X by a equals to under root of x by a. On both sides squaring. So x square by a square. So that is equals to x by a. A get cancelled here. X square and minus a into x is cross multiplication. Again, I'm going to take an outside from to the left side. X square minus ax equals to 0. X taken as common. X minus a equals to 0. Then x equals to 0 and x equals to a. I'm getting the 2 points mark. Okay, now? So x equals to 0 and x equals to a. Now x equals to 0. X equals to 0. What is y here? X equals to 0. Then y is also 0. X equals to a. Here x equals to a by a. Then y equals to 1. Therefore, the intersection points are 0, 0. So this is a 0, 0. Hello, ma. Are you getting? Hello, are you following me, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, the intersection point is what here? X equals to a and y equals to 1. This is the intersection point of this one. Here, a comma 1. Okay, now this region we are going to find the limits. Now, first of all, y limits are constants. Then, I'm going to find the y limits first. Here, the y limits. Y limits always in the constants. So, here, what about the y limits? 0, 0. X is 0, y is 0. Y limit is a 0 first of all. It is clear? Y equals to 0. 2. What is the upper limit of y here? 1. Y equals to 1. Completed, ma. Then We are going to find the x limits in terms of y. There is no issue and we have to leave the y limits. Those are the constant. We are going to find the x limits in terms of y. So that's why we have to take in a one strip. We have to take the one strip that is parallel to the x-axis. We are going to find the x limits in y. So that we have to take a strip. So that is parallel to x-axis. Now this strip is lies on the line, which is what? Which line is what here? This is ay equals to x. We are going to find the x limits. So x equals to ay. There is no issue. 2. Again, the end of this strip is what here? This is the curve. This is the curve is ay square equals to x. Again, we are going to write what here? X equals to ay square. X limits are in terms of y. It is clear x equals to ay and x equals to ay square. It is clear all of you. Now, the given integration. So, what is the given integration here? I equals to integration x equals to 0 to a and integration y equals to x by a to under root of x by a of x square plus y square dy dx. Now, new limits apply. That means what here? Change of order of integration. Change of order of integration. What we get for the given integral changes to first x limits are constant. Now we can write the y limits. What about the y limits? 0 to 1. Now here x limits are in terms of y. So x equals to ay to ay square. The function is same, x square plus y square. Here with respect to the dx. Now dy changed to dx. Again dx changed to dy. Now we have to simplify this integration. We are getting this integral value. It is clear all of you? Any doubts? Hello? Hello?
Here, ma'am.
Make it fast, right down. Are you copying, ma? Hello? I'm going to rub this part, okay? Now I'm going to write again this integral I equals to integration y equals to 0 to 1 and integration x equals to ay to ay square of x square plus y square dx into dy. Clear? Now we have to integrate term by term. Integration of x square dx is x cube by 3. And integration of y square dx is y square constant taken outside. Integration 1 dx is the x. It is clear? Now integration y equals to 0 to 1. Integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus integration of y square dx is what? Y square is a constant and integration dx is the x. And have to write the limits x equals to ay to ay square into dy. Completed. Now substitute the upper integral limit y equals to 0 to 1. Here x cube x equals to ay square. So a cube y square whole cube. Okay, na? By 3. Plus, again y square is there, y square into x equals to ay square. A into y square, completed. Minus of lower limit is the ay. X equals to ay. So, ay whole cube by 3. Okay. Minus into plus minus y square into x equals to ay. Clear all of you? Into dy. Now, by the simplification, then after apply the integration with respect to y. Clear? First of all, we have to simplify this bracket there. So what we get here? For the first integration, I'm going to write a cube by 3 is the constant taken outside. Integration y equals to 0 to 1. Y square whole cube 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. So y to the power of 6 dy plus here a is the constant. Integration y equals to 0 to 1. Y to the power of 4 dy minus a cube by 3 is the constant. Integration y equals to 0 to 1. Here y cube dy minus a is the constant taken outside. Y square into y is the y cube. Y equals to 0 to 1 y cube dy. So this is what we are getting now. Now term by term we have to integrate. So a cube by 3 into y to the power of 6 is y to the power of 7 by 7 plus a into integration y power 4 y power 5 by 5 clear minus a cube by 3 integration y cube y power 4 by 4 minus a into integration y cube y power 4 by 4 and all we have the y terms are there. So y limits are y equals to 0 to 1. Now we are going to substitute the first upper limit 1. And what about the lower limit here? It is a 0. So all the y zeros, then there is no need to substitute the 0. If we are going to substitute all, we are getting the 0. Is clear? Hello, are you following all of you? Substitute the upper limit here. So that is equals to a cube by 7 in a cube by 3 into 1 by 7 plus a by 5 into y to the power of 5 1 minus a cube by 3 into 1 by 4 minus a into 1 by 4. Clear? Minus of 0 is a 0. Now here a cube by 21 here minus a cube by 12, right? Here a by 5 minus a by 4. Clear? So a cube taken outside. 12 minus 21. 9. Okay, a cube common. So take LCM. 12 minus 21 by 12 into 21. Again plus a common. 4 minus 5 by 20. So what is the answer here? A cube into minus 9 by 12 into 21 and minus a by 20. Here what is this value? This 9. 9 3 3 ja 3 4 ja 3 7 ja minus a cube by 21. Sorry, 28 minus a by 20. So this is the integral. We are going to change this minus into plus. A cube by 28 plus a by 20 is the answer. Clear all of you? Region. Region is always in the positive. So whatever it may be, the value is negative or positive, we are getting that value changed into the positive. Clear? Write down all of you, please. Yes, all of you completed? Hello?
Completed, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Complete.
Right. Next problem. Change the order of integration and evaluate. Integration 0 to 1. Integration 0 to under root of 1 minus x square y square dy dx. Clear? Identify the given integration limits first. Right? Okay. So I'm going to write here 0 to under root of 1 minus x square. The limits having the x variable. So that these limits are goes to the y. Okay, now obviously these are the x limits. Now the given integration is these are the x limits 0 to 1, and here integration these are the y limits because of the limit having the x term is there. So that these limits belongs to the y. Y equals to under root of 1 minus x square. Here with respect to the y, d square dy no issue into dx. Is clear? Now here the given limits are what about the given limits here? X equals to 0 to x equals to 1. Okay, these are what here? Constants. X limits are constants. What about the y limits? Y equals to 0 to y equals to under root of 1 minus x square. These y limits are in terms of x. In terms of x. It is clear? What about the new limits? Tell me. What about the new limits? Tell me. Opposite of these statements. Here y we need to change. We are going to find the y limits are constants. X limits are in terms of y. అసలు మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా అమ్మ నేను అరిచేది అరుస్తున్నాను ఫాలో అవుతున్నారా లేదా అందరూ
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm going to draw the diagram, but in this y equals to under root of 1 minus x square we can't diagram because of we have to simplify first. Y equals to under root of 1 minus x square, squaring on both sides. What we get here? Y square equals to 1 minus x square, and we can write it as x square plus y square equals to 1. This is a circle equation, right? With the radius 1. Okay, now this is what here? Circle equation with radius 1. It is clear, all of you. Now we can draw the diagram. And y equals to 0, here x equals to 0, here x equals to 1. There is no issue. Okay, now? So first of all, x-axis and y-axis I am going to draw. Here x-axis and y-axis. Circle equation first of all. Circle I am going to draw here. This is a circle. Okay, now? Now, x equals to 0. Here x equals to 0. X equals to 1. Here I am going to select this is the point is x equals to 1. This point is x equals to 1. Okay, completed. when x equals to 0, here in this, here in this x equals to 0 in this, then what is y value? Y equals to 1. It is clear? Now again, x equals to 1. X equals to 1. Then what is y square? 0. Okay, now y square is the 0. Then y is equals to 0. Then what is the points here? 0, comma 1. And here 1, comma 0. That means 1, comma 0 located is this. X equals to 1, y equals to 0. 0, comma 1 is this point. Here 0, comma 1. Okay, now this is the x-axis. Here it is the y-axis. Okay, it is clear? Completed. These points and this circle equation, in this circle equation. So this is the complete region we are going to use for the problem purpose. Clear all of you? This is the region we are going to use. Okay, this region only. Right, in this region, we are going to take a strip that is parallel to which axis? Tell me. Tell me, ma. మీరు చెప్తేనే ఇప్పుడు నేను స్ట్రిప్ డ్రా చేస్తాను. లిమిట్స్ మీరు చెప్తేనే నేను రాస్తాను. చెప్పండి.
Parallel to x-axis.
Very good. We are going to take the strip that is parallel to x-axis because I'm going to write the new limits. See here, the new limits are opposites of the given limits. X are the constants. Then find y limits are constants. Okay, there is no issue. It is clear? Now again we have to take up. So that is x limits. We are going to find the x limits in terms of y. So that's why we are going to find the x limits. For that purpose, we have to take a strip that is parallel to x-axis. Now this is the strip. Okay. Now this strip is on this the first line here. So this line is what? Y-axis. Y-axis means x equals to 0. Then x limits are x equals to 0 to this strip starting point is on the y-axis. Y-axis equation is x equals to 0. And this strip end limit is on the circle equation. What is this circle equation? X square plus y square equals to 1. But we are going to take it outside x. Here x square equals to 1 minus y square. Then x equals to under root of 1 minus y square. Is it clear? Now what about the x limits? X equals to 0 to x equals to under root of 1 minus y square. Clear? In terms of y we are getting. Now what about the y limits now? Y limits are what here? The y limits are constants. See, this is the origin 0, 0. Now the y limit is a 0 lower. And here y equals to 0. That is the lower limit. Y equals to 0. To in this first quadrant, what is the y limit, upper limit of y? What is the highest limit of y in this first quadrant? Tell me. Here 0 and x comma y, this is the 1. Here y equals to 1. It is clear all of you? Okay na? ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా ఇందులో?
No, ma'am.
Now the given integration. What is the given integration? This I am going to write. X equals to 0 to 1. Integration y equals to 0 to under root of 1 minus x square y square dy into dx. Now change of order of integration. Change of order of integration. So we are going to apply the new limits to the given integration. So that first, opposite of x is y limits. What about the y limits? X equals to 0 to 1. and opposite of y, we are going to write the x limits. Y limits these are. Here x limits are what? X equals to 0 to under root of 1 minus y square. With respect to the x, y square is the constant taken outside. Here dx into dy. Now we are going to simplify this integration. We are getting the evaluation of this integral value. Write down first all of you. It's now completed all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to rub this first part, right? Now we have to evaluate this integration. See here. So I'm going to write again this integral. Integration y equals to 0 to 1 y square into integration of dx is the x. I'm going to limits 0 to under root of 1 minus y square into dy. It is clear? Now integration y equals to 0 to 1 y square. Substitute the upper limit under root of 1 minus y square and lower limit is a 0 into dy complete. Okay, now? Now in this I'm going to write integration y equals to 0 to 1 y square into under root of 1 minus y square dy. Here we are getting the lengthy integration procedure. So for that purpose, I am going to use a substitution method. What is the substitution method means? I am going to change the Cartesian into polar coordinates. So by substituting of put y equals to sine theta. Okay, now? So that is dy equals to cos theta d theta. It is clear? Now, so when y equals to 0, in this y equals to 0, I am going to substitute sine theta. What is sine theta? Theta is also, what is the theta limits? Theta is also 0. Then y equals to 1. Then y equals to 1. Sine theta equals to 1. That means sine 90. Sine get cancelled. Theta equals to pi by 2. It is clear? Now integration y equals to 0 to 1. The limits are theta equals to 0 to pi by 2. Y equals to sine theta. Na? So y square means sine square theta into under root of 1 minus y square sine square theta into dy is cos theta d theta. Clear, all of you? And in this, under root of 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. So integration theta equals to 0 to pi by 2 sine square theta into, this is cos square theta, root and square get cancelled, cos theta into, again we have the cos theta, d theta is there. Okay, na? So that, again I am going to write, this is cos theta into cos theta is the cos square theta. Okay. So integration theta equals to 0 to pi by 2 sine square theta into cos square theta d theta. So this is the formula, ma. In the polar coordinates we have the formula. That formula with the limits 0 to pi by 2 sine square theta cos square theta is pi by 16. So this is the answer. Write down all of you, ma, please.